Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about the various type of vector operations by using the R. So first of all we create a vector x in the script area. So by using the combine method, so this vector is x and various elements in the vector are from 3 to 12. So these are the various elements from 3 to 12 and the vector is x. So now press Alt plus enter, and to retrieve the same type x and then Alt plus enter. So you can see in the console area the elements are from 3 to 12. Now we will be covering about the various vector operations such like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So first of all, suppose the x is the vector and then if you multiply it by 2, so now let's see what the result is. So you can see in the console area the result appears once you multiply it by 2 with this vector. Similarly, if you can this subtract with the 2, so x minus 2, and you will be having a result of this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Similarly, if you make x plus 2, you will be having a result of this. Similarly, if you make x divided by 2, the results will be like this. So this is a basic vector operations from addition, multiplication, division, subtraction by a one numeric value. You can make some other functions like square root or exponential function. So suppose I use the command xqrt and the vector is x. Now let's see the result. So this is the result, square root of x. So all the values, all the elements of the sector of x, they will be having a square root, and the answer or the results is appears in the console area. Similarly, if you make x raised to power 2, Alt plus enter, so we'll be having a result like this: 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on. Friends, you can do some of the functions which is related to the descriptive statistics. So you can find the results of a basic descriptive statistics just like the mean, median, standard deviation and variance. So what the command we have to use this one, suppose we want to find out the mean of this vector, so just type mean and the vector is x, Alt plus enter. So the 7.5 is the mean of this vector. Similarly, you can find the median and the value, the vector is x, so this is 7.5 is the median value. Similarly, you can find the standard deviation. So what is the command for the standard deviation is R. You have to use SD, and now the x is the vector, so the standard deviation value is 3.02. Similarly, you can find the variance also. So we have to type VAR and the vector is x, Alt plus enter. So you will be having a variance value is 9.16. So in this way you can compute the various operations related to the vector that covers your basic arithmetic functions like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square root function, power function and descriptive statistics function. Now friends, we'll be discussing about if there are two vectors are there, so you can make many operations based on the two vectors. So let's see, suppose I create a one vector that's name is A. So suppose this is the one vector which I create and the elements are, these are the elements. So I make it Alt plus enter. To retrieve this one, I type A and then Alt plus enter. So you can see the various elements are there in this vector. Similarly, I create a vector B with a certain elements. So these are the certain elements of the vector V. Alt plus enter. To check it, you type B and again Alt plus enter. So you will be having the values of B. Now suppose I want to find out the solution 1, and that covers a plus b. Alt plus enter, and then again you type solution 1 and find out its value. So this is the values, these are the values which is based on vector a and plus vector b. Similarly you can find solution 2, let's say it's a minus b. Alt plus enter, and to retrieve this one you type solution 2 and alt plus enter. So these are the values which is related to vector a minus vector b. Similarly you can find solution 3, that a divided by b. So all the elements of a will be divided by all the elements of b, and the results will be, you can find in the console area, the results will be, this is the results, 0.4, 5.0, 0.6, like this. Similarly you can find, let's say solution 4 is a raised to power b. Alt plus enter, again you find solution 4 and alt plus enter. So these are the values of solution 4, that is a raised to power b. So friends, in this way you can create a one particular vector, and then you can find out, you can compute various functions related to that particular vector. And if you are having two vectors and more than two vectors, so you can make many calculations based on these particular vectors. Thank you so much.